If you're a beginner, don't start with colors. Ouch!
Hello goodies!
In this video, I'll tell you why your paintings look so flat. Actually, it's not colors that messed up your painting.
Then what's the mistake? This. Beginners mostly skip these basics to learn faster, but mastering them is the real shortcut.
Trust me guys, if you do consistently on your pencil works, you'll see the improvements in 5 to 6 months. Just learn basics and keep working on your pencil sketch. Then you can go on watercolors. And if you're still confusing, I can break this up to you. Just comment basics and I'll tell you in the next part. Bye-bye.